Yeah, I know.
Hey, y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I am getting ready to go in to Bobbie's studio and see what she's been doing. But y'all, listen, Bobbie gave Wendy and I a clipping of, what'd you call it again?
Mother of Millions.
Mother of Millions. This green plant had these little babies all over it last year. And first thing I said to Bobbie was, do you have another baby plant that I can steal from you? But she has a beautiful area to sit out here and enjoy the weather before the rain gets here. And her plant, how do you keep your plants looking so good, Bobbie?
So these are all perennials.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and I embellish them with a few silk things that, can tolerate the outdoors.
Yeah. Boy, they've come back pretty.
Yeah.
Well, let's go into the studio and see what you got. Anyway, Bobbie's one of my favorite potters. If I'm down this way in Ashboro Seagrove, I didn't know you had chickens.
Yeah, I got two.
Oh, good for you. Fresh eggs. Love that. Anyway.
I'll give you some for you later.
All right. I always love to come down and see. I love that color blue. Love to come see what Bobbie's doing. And she's always so busy and doing some of the cutest stuff. And I love how she does some things like that you can put outside. Like I bought the ladybug. Love the ladybug. Tell the viewers about your collection this year.
So I've just got through making a series of bunny rabbits. And
Okay.
I do a little Easter thing. I think this is one of my favorite ones here.
Isn't he cute?
I love growing plants, and so I like to do little planters. So I would put a little violet in that, or some little interesting fern, or yeah. But you could use this on your buffet, and you could put a dip. That you could dip carrots or something like that in. So you can use it functionally, or you can use it as a decorative piece.
I might have to have that on my table. That would look so pretty on my charcuterie. I have a huge charcuterie board.
Use that as your little dip serving bowl, or put nuts in it.
I might have to have that.
I make these little baskets. And
oh, how cute is that?
Yeah, they've got little bamboo handles on them, and you could put strawberries in that. You could make a fruit salad. But, of course, you can, use it as a decorative piece also.
Well, you could put fake fruit in it and keep it on your table.
Yeah.
Or just moss. That's cute. Yeah. That'll be a close second for that bunny rabbit. But you know what? That basket you can keep out year-round.
Yes.
I love that, Bobbie. That's gorgeous.
Right. That makes a beautiful charcuterie board. You can do a lot of real nice things on
Boy,
that.
That's pretty.
And you can serve a
hey,
pot
Jeanette.
roast and
a turkey.
And vegetables around
yes.
it. Yeah.
Absolutely.
I love people that cook. A lot of people don't cook anymore.
I know. Okay, I made the best thing the other night. Do you like corned beef?
I saw that.
Girl, when I tell you that was good, it fell apart. And it seasons the cabbage so well.
Right, because you cooked it in the crock pot.
Girl, yes, it was so good.
Now, I've never cooked it in the crock pot.
I love it.
We used to go on a skiing trip, and that was always one of the menu items.
I love corned beef and cabbage. And everything looks so pretty. I'm going to pop off of here, guys, and I'll be going live a couple different places today as I venture around Ashboro and Seagrove, and I'm going to talk to Bobbie for a little bit. You got your little tea section. I love that. So keep following the page, and we'll be back with you shortly. Have a wonderful day.